Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I curled and cut the bangs of this ear closure wig, and also the installation process. So I'm not going to show you the ventilation and the making of the wig because I already have tutorials on that, and I'm going to link them in the description. So this video is all about curling, cutting the bangs, and the installation, and this wig is totally glueless. So let's get into it. So before we get into the curling process, I just wanted to show you how my closure looks like. It's an L closure, so you don't necessarily need like a 4x4 closure to do this style. An L closure will do that. So the first thing we need to do is section the bang area, and we're going to tie that section and put it away, and then we're going to curl the hair that is like the front, the back, everything else. We're going to curl it, and the bang area we're going to tie it and work on that later on. So just section the parts that you want to do your bangs, and then tie that. So you don't need too much hair, just a little hair right there at the front, because we don't want the bangs to be like too bulky. We don't want that. So just section just a small section of hair there at the front right there on the side guys. It's a L closure and we want the side bangs. So for the curling process guys, I'm going to do like really loose curls, really loose. So just wrap your hair around your tongue right there and hold it for about 20 to 25 seconds, and then remove it, and then hold the curl in your hand for about 5 seconds and let go of the curl. So if you want your curls to be like really tight, bouncy, you can wrap your hair around the tongue and then leave it for about 50 seconds, 50-60 seconds, and then use a bobby pin to hold your curl until it is cold, and then you remove the bobby pin. You have like really tight and bouncy curls. So I wasn't going for those, I was going for loose curls. So that's why I was just wrapping the hair around for about 20 seconds and then removing it, and then let go without pinning, because I wanted the curls to be like really loose. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to curl the hair and then we'll cut the bangs. So this is how the curls are looking. As you can see, they are really loose. So wrap your hair around the tongue like that, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, and then leave it there on the tongue for about 20 seconds, and then remove it, hold it in your hands, and then let go of the curl so that it won't be like too droppy. So just hold it for about 5 seconds for it to cool down just a little bit, and then let go of the curl. So this is how I curled the hair. And then for the bang area, we're going to comb the hair, and then we're going to cut. Make sure that you don't cut like too deep. You cut long and then go in trimming little by little until you get the size of the bangs that you want. So right there, I'm just point cutting. I'm just point cutting to thin the bangs. So just point cut, and then use your flat iron and straighten the hair, and like doing like a bump at the front, like a bob. I don't know how to to explain this, but doing just like bumping the hair right here at the front. We don't want it to be straight, we want it to be a little bumpy. So just trim and use your flat iron, trim and use your flat iron until you get like the length that you want, and also the thickness of the bang that you want, and just use your flat iron to get the bump right here at the front. So after curling, I'm going to apply this coconut and Jamaican black castor oil to the hair so that it will be shiny and soft. So just spray it on your hand, and then comb the hair using your fingers. So finger comb the hair, applying the oil to your hair so that it will be soft and shiny. So if you don't have like this black castor oil, white coconut oil, whatever, you can use mousse. You can use mousse to just finger comb the hair Yeah, like that, guys. So this is how I achieved the curls and the bangs, guys. So easy, fast, because these curls we just hold for a little time and let go. So it's so fast to achieve this style, guys. So do let me know what you think about this wig, guys. Do let me know what you think. So for the installation, guys, this wig is totally glueless. You don't need glue for this. It's just a wear and go, and this is how it's looking like inside. So right there, I'm just applying the foundation that matches my skin tone, and then wear a nude wig cap underneath, and then just put your wig right there. Just wear your wig right there, guys. So easy. And this wig, like, it's, you can do this like every day. If you want to go to work, if you want to go somewhere really quick, you can just wear your wig and go. Like, it's so simple. So if you want a tutorial on how to ventilate, how to make the wig, like the sewing process, I'm going to link those tutorials in the description. Just in case you don't know how, I'm going to link them in the description so that you can go and check them out. This tutorial is mostly about curling and cutting the bangs. So do let me know what you think about this wig, guys. Do let me know what you think about the curls. Yeah, I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this wig. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. And guys, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video, guys. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you. Before that, guys, this wig, you can just, like I said, we didn't use any glue or nothing. So after the day when you want to sleep, you can just remove your wig, and you can also tie it. If you don't want the hair to come in your face, you can also tie it like that. And then when the day is done and you want to take a rest, you want to relax, you can just lift your wig like that and go to sleep. Yeah, so easy. So goodbye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial.